Hi. So this question today, I'm going to be talking about a problem-solving question to do with calculating the mean. Now, normally calculating the mean is very straightforward. You just add up all the numbers and divide by how many there are. But what can come up at GCSE, just to make it a little bit more complicated, is a scenario like this, where you've got certain information and you've got to put that into your normal mean calculation to find out the answer. So let's read through it. It says, in a group of 5 rugby players and 10 ballet dancers, the mean mass of the rugby players is 85 kilograms. However, the mean mass of all 15 people is 55 kilograms. And the question is, what is the mean mass of the ballet dancers? Okay. So again, let's underline our key parts of the question. So we've got 5 rugby players and 10 ballet dancers. We're told that the mean of the rugby players alone is 85 kilograms. However, the mean of all 15 people is 55 kilograms. So straight away that should be telling you that the average, the mean of the ballet dancers is lower because of the difference between these two numbers here. The question then, as I said, is what's the mean of the ballet dancers? Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find out the totals. So as I said at the beginning, to find the average, we add up the total and then divide by how many there are. So in this instance, we're actually doing the reverse process. Okay, so if you think about it like that, it's actually quite straightforward. So let's look at the rugby players first of all. So the rugby players, we're told, have a mean mass of 85 kilograms. Okay. So that means that we would have added up their total and divided by 5 and we would have got the answer 85. So therefore, working backwards, okay, the total mass for the rugby players is quite simply just 85 multiplied by 5. Okay, so it's just working backwards. That works out to be 425 kilograms. Okay. We can do the same with the mass of everyone, of all 15 people. So the total mass of the 15 is equal to, again, same principle, so it's 55 multiplied, this time by 15 because it's 15 people in this particular group, and that equals 825 kilograms. Now by doing that, we've got these two figures and they're really, really important. So that's the total for the rugby players, that's the total for everyone, so that's the rugby players and the 10 ballet dancers. So what we can do now is we can actually find the total mass of the 10 ballet dancers. Okay, so total mass ballet dancers, all we have to do is find the difference between these two numbers, because what's left over is the mass of the ballet dancers. So it's 825 subtract 425, okay, and that gives us just 400 kilograms. And from there, it's really straightforward because we're back to the scenario. We add up our total and divide by how many there are. So in this particular case, all right, for the ballet dancers, we know there are 10 ballet dancers. We know their total mass now is 400. So the mean for the ballet dancers is quite simply our 400, which is our total mass, divided by 10, which is the number of ballet dancers we've got, and that is just 40 kilograms. Okay, and what I want you to really notice here is what I've done and how I've set out the working, and it's important that you label each part. Not only does it make sense for you, but it's also clear for anybody who's reading the question.